thinking out loud. I must have a $250,000 on me right now. Hard to make a song about something other than the money. You talking about it, talking blood, staying bloody. Pretty women, are you here? Are you here right now, huh? We should all disappear right now. Look, you're getting all your friends and you're getting in the car and you're coming to the house, so we clear right now, huh? You see the fleet, all the new things. Got cars with the loose change. All white like a whole thing. Niggas see me rolling and they mood change. Like a motherfucker. You flaw, got a dozen of them. I don't trust you, you are undercover. I can probably make some steps, this is from each other. What it is, folks? This right here is the 16-year-old phenom, Chris Briggs. Be myself from the 23-year-old CEO.
Boy, Chris 16 and I got 6 goals and hot bikes that I rock. Keep 3 and 4 sweeties on my block. But I'm thinking of that kid, running business low for the talking down to up the restart. Cause you speaking that slang that I go. That fast and tempo with that walk. Maybe the reason that all this shit been up since. Give me that, give me that. Give me that, we like how I lead in the left. You can be in the back saying, give me, give me, give me. Give me that, give me that.